Guys, if you're like me, you're always needing a screwdriver, a little socket, something like that. And I'm always needing it when I'm out in my pickup and I ain't got one. So I just got on Amazon and I found this Amazon Basics 27-piece ratcheting screwdriver set. And I know sometimes just looking at pictures on Amazon, it's hard to tell. So I thought I'd just open the box and show you what's in it in case you're thinking about buying one that might help you out. So let's open this up and see what we got. Well, there's what she looks like. Comes in a little nice little case here.